guys! Friends! Relatives! Meron ba akong relative? Oh, coworker! Hi! Welcome to the vlog! I'm gonna look for the onggoys. Hi, Miguel. Miguel is there crying. He always cries when... Tanakaluy, ano, they're looking at me. Habang umakyat dito. So, today is January. I don't know, I forgot. 15? Oh, 17? 17. And half day lang sila. Yung mga kids. Hoy! Oh, pinat-sleep pa. Kinsa ang wala ni eat. Umit na. Who wants to eat a cake? Huh? You don't wanna eat a cake? Wala pa kahurot na. Busin ko na yun. I'm gonna eat it all. Na, dali na. Let's eat na. What did you eat? Ha? Unsa man lunch? Nagbaon ka? Naskalis ate bachuche. Why you not eat ate bachuche? Bad kinis ate. Bad kinis ate. Dali na ate. Eat na. Masakit na yung tiyan. Mainom pa kag newsap. Mana? Ayaw na ka? Are you well, my love? My darling Juliet. Juliet! Wow, you're so white and hairy. Hi, Ba. There's Baba. Half day lang sila, kaya matutulog na sila. Good night, guys. Diane, they will wake up at midnight. Tapos, tomorrow, until 1 p.m. lang. Diba? Hoy, where is your kuanoy payment slip? Lo. Diba, next week, it's your exam na. Then, where's your payment slip? Baba. Where's your payment slip, Baba? Baba.
Nasa bag.
Hala din, wa kay plan nga ihatag sa ako No, kanus pa naghatag? Kanus pa naghatag? Nga ano naghatag nako? Ikaw dai, where's your payment slip? Uy, Manoy. Oh, Manoy, manang dia. Guys, so I am going to eat lunch na. So yung lunch natin is ito. Ito yung lunch natin, yung chicken na niluto ni mother, then rice, coffee, and ito yung leftover nila sa nung umaga, ham, tsaka cheese dog. Of course, soy sauce at suka. Hindi mawawala yan, guys. Yan, soy sauce at suka is my soup. Guys, so since maaga silang dumating today, half day lang sila, we are making or cooking fries for snacks kasi natagal din hindi sila nakakain ng fries, guys. Here is the fries that we are cooking today. It's from Virginia. Ayan. Maganda siya, guys, kasi hindi siya soft. Maganda din naman yung sa SM bonus na fries, yung shoestring, tapos mura lang din. But we wanted to try this one. Ayan, so cooking, and then I also bought some sour cream na flavoring. Tapos si Baba yung magmi-mix niyan. Yan yung engineer. Tapos ang kalat ni Baba. Ba, hurry up na ba? Ay, you're waiting for kung ano. Saan man yung mga kung ano? Yan, naubos na ni Baba.
Not me.
Not me? Who? That Dodge? The white Dodge? Oh my God. Miguel ate french fries. Uy, ato si Awit. Baba is now gonna mix the flavor. Ba? Hurry up. Wait. Saan niya siya? Uy, dira. Tapos,
Wala, ito siya.
Caesar. Oh. I'm gonna give it to you, bra. Hurry up, bra. Tawa, dyan na ninyo giuli ang kuan. Uy, gamay yara, uy, ang kuan. Yan na. Kuan na. Kunti nga nag-appeal para dili magsamok.
Why?
Why? Siya lang mo kay. Sige na. And then mix it. Wow. Addict sa sour cream flavor. Okay na na, uy. I-mix up. Why too many? Oh, nag-try pa, Jude.
Lami.
Lami? Really? And then, Baba is going to... Yun na, hurry up. Shaky, shaky. Shaky, shaky. Yan, tarunga, day. Baka makuha na, day. Mayabo na tanan, diha.
Di ma-close.
Shaky, shaky ba? Shake pa more. So this is the last batch ng fries. And si Baba is the shaker. So there is our fries. Let's try them. Yeah. Iba ba? Sarap. Went outside kasi nanghihingi ng iba. Iba yan yung iba namin. Dalawa kasi meron doon tapos meron din dito tapos nanghihingi yung mga bata ng iba kaya binigyan ko sila kasi they want to climb the fence and it's abunay. Delikado kaya ay ako na lang kumuha ng iba. Ayan si Miko. Dami nilang hala, naluto na. Napaig na yung natin. Price ko ba? Did you look at the price ko? Okay pa? May butang na sa sudlanan, day. So, it is now snack time. Magsasnack na kami ni Baba. Wala nakita. So, eto yung snack namin. Tapos, tawagin pa niya si ate niya. Kasi, di pa bumaba si ate Sashi. Natulog siya. Kasi, she was tired. Yan, wow, look how beautiful my skin. Really? Ano lang yan? Olay, natural. Because fairness, grabe yung plugging, oh. Every video na lang nagpa-plug ng olay. Oy, olay! Paging olay. For our snack today, mine is this cake. Kahapon, ito din yung kinain ko. Marami pa. It is so good, guys. And of course, I'm gonna pair it with coffee because chocolate cake is best. Coffee. So, here's, wow, so delicious. Yan. This is coffee frosting, chocolate cake. Yeah, o kuan mo, tagsa mo. Tapos kinababa is fries with sour cream flavoring. Tapos ate, uy, day na ay coke diya, day. Mountain lang ka? Wow, so yan. Itadakimasu! Friends, so it's almost 7 and today's video is gonna be very walay lang. I haven't vlogged so much because I don't know, I filmed a video. Yeah, I filmed a video and then yung ginawa namin, wala, nag-ano lang, kumain kami kanina yon, and then after that I was just editing a video and I'm still editing up to now. Sorry for the mess, the background. And then while doing that, I am cooking food for the dogs kasi sila hindi na sila kakain kasi kumain na sila kanina. Ayan, and I don't know, not much footage today. Yeah, so tomorrow is Friday. We are planning to watch a movie, but I don't know if that will happen. Kasi tomorrow, I don't know if procession sa kasi sinulog na. This Sunday will be sinulog, so for sure it's going to be very, very traffic. Yeah, because we wanted to watch a movie sa galeria kasi ang pangit ang pangit sa SMC side yung nila theater. So I don't know, let's just see kasi what dai. So Sashi wants to open a bank
Awa,
account.
ana siya, ga-video siya.
Nya.
Ana siya, usar iya ha.
Di ba do? No?
School ID red.
Nga naman tong babae, I asked sa video kasi I have a video account and I asked for like unsay ATM. I asked daw Sashi wants to open a bank account.
ATM?
So, I'm just, yeah, savings. I asked for the savings account, yung sa ATM. Then that clerk said na, she needs 2 IDs. Bakit, di ba, pag minor, naman, isang ID lang, school ID lang yung they have. And, meron silang passport, but it expired. Hindi pa namin
Passbook
na-renew.
iya ha di ay.
Hindi pa namin na-renew kasi nga hindi ako makakuha-kuha ng appointment sa DFA dito sa Cebu. May open na March na schedule, but still wala akong makuha kasi no available. And I'm so tired. Hindi ko alam kung anong oras ako mag-open ng site ng DFA. Grabe. That is such a hassle. Buti, mas maganda yung dati na yung pupunta ka ng maaga kasi makakakuha ka talaga ng slot. Pero right now, it is just a pain in the butt. Sana maglagay sila ng, although online appointment works for other places or province, pero dito sa Cebu hindi talaga. Isa lang yung DFA dito, tapos ang dami-dami ng tao sa Cebu. So yun, I'm ranting na guys. Pero last year pa ako was trying to get an appointment sa DFA kasi nga para sa nila passport, pero hindi. Nagpunta na din kami ng DFA, wala pa rin. And I don't know, sabi ng 12 noon, ba yan, 6, ginawa ko na. Tapos hindi pa rin ako makakuha. Then, one time, nakakuha kami ng tapos, hindi, nag-error yung site, oh my God. Tapos sabi, I called DFA, I called the Manila DFA kasi, walang sumasagot sa Cebu DFA. Yeah, yung phone nila. So, I spent additional money to call DFA Manila. And then sabi na, may glitch daw sa site nila. How? Fantastic. Oh, amazing. So, yun. I don't know what to do. Merong mga nag-fix na 1K daw para to have a schedule. Grabe, 1K. I need to buy to pay 1K. Well, I've been ranting for 4 minutes na. Oh my God, guys. Yun nga. So, sana makakuha. I don't know what to do. Please help. Comment below. Oy, may bra sa likod. Hoy, ba. Can see the bra and the kalat. Everywhere. Wow, grabe. Di ka pa pala tulog ba? I thought you're sleeping already, but you're still like doing the cellphone. So tired na. Ngayon lang ako natapos ng edit. Nag-edit, and then mga nag-render na lang. I also finished doing the thumbnail. So, and I also wanted to say good night, guys. Good night, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day and a great day as always. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep the smile. So, we will see you on our next video. Good night. Minasama.